to another do-it-yourself episode, and today I'm going to take you through step-by-step on how to change batteries on thermostat, specifically the one I have, Honeywell thermostat. So when it comes to thermostat, there are different types depending on which brand, and mine in this case is Honeywell, and Honeywell has different thermostats, so make sure you look at your thermostat because they are different, and I'm going to take you step by step.
This is how to replace the Honeywell thermostat. The first thing you need to do is to make sure you know what kind of thermostat you have because they're different. You have to look on the top, the sides. This one look like this. So if yours look like this, then you will do the way I will show you. So this one has the grip threads here and here and here and here, 4 corners. If there's some others that have place to grip here and it's written push, those one you need to push over here and pull like this, then replace the battery and then put it back. But this one, because it's a different one, you have to pull the whole thing. You grab here and here and apply a constant force, pull and move the whole thing. It might feel tight a little bit, just don't be afraid, just pull it. Use your hand like that. I can use my one hand, so I just removed it. This is how it looked like. As you can see, it was reading low battery. So this is the battery side. All what you need to do now is just replace the battery. Make sure the positive go to positive and the negative goes to negative side, and then put this back. It has somewhere to hold here, so just replace. I have my batteries here. Remove the old one and I got the new one here. So this is positive, negative the double A, negative go the side, positive go this side. I'm using one hand because I'm holding my camera. Now you can see, give it a few seconds, it's on. So just make sure the batteries fit well. When you're putting it back, be careful. These things can break if you put it in the wrong way and put a lot of force. So they have to match with that, which is even easiest. Just it goes like this. Then push it back there, just like that. Make sure it fits well, and then now you have the control. You can adjust to whatever the temperature you want, or if you want to cool down. So it's very cold outside right now, so mine right now I can put it on heat. If it's hot, I just go here, put cool and say done. If I want to turn it off, just come over here, off and then done, but I'm going to leave it on heat and done. Then I will leave it at whatever temperature I want. I can leave it at 75 right now, and just leave it like that, set to 75. That's it.
Thank you for watching, and please remember to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Bye.